Let's change a coil. We'll be doing this today with the Smock Reza Prince tank. These principles will apply to all tanks in the Smock lineup and a lot of tanks on the market today. It's a top with glass in the middle and it's all screwed down and secure with the bottom. Atomizers in the middle, so let's rip it apart. Alright, so we start by unscrewing the top. And that will remove the top chimney section that is connected to the atomizer, leaving your glass exposed. If you have juice in your device, right now is the opportunity to pour it out into a bottle. If there's no juice in mine, so I'm safe to move on to step 2, which is remove the glass. Here you'll see the base, the atomizer screwed into it. This last step is very simple. There you go. Look at how gross my atomizer is. Charred and gross. Now is the perfect time to clean out any of your connections. A paper towel will do just fine. Make sure you don't have any juice in there. Same with the glass. If you have a flavor in there that you didn't like, you gotta make sure you clean it out. So when you fill it up with something tasty, you get a fresh hit. Alright, now let's put it all back together with a fresh coil. We take our bottom piece and we attach our new atomizer. We screw it in there and make sure it's nice and tight and it has a solid connection against the bottom. Don't make it too tight, however, that you can't get it back out because that's a real bummer. Next, we add the glass piece, just sleeves right over the O-ring connection. Finally, we add the top chimney section. That should screw directly into the atomizer. All the O-rings are secure, and you're good to go. So let's fill it up with some juice and see how it chugs. Okay, so we got it all filled up. I'm sitting on top of my Sigelli Top 1 mod. I got it filled up with this right here. This is the Sour Worms King Candy. It's a pretty good flavor. I've been trying it now. Let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah, after letting it sit, that's a very nice rip. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you guys learned how to change your coils the right way now. If there's anything you need to know, drop us a comment down below, and if you want to keep seeing videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, take care.